Gates open, they're up and racing. That is favorite surprise call. I Will Survive is by the rail. Fisher Champ racing in fourth, followed by Amazing Damascus Core Duo. Then comes Sears Tower and Natu Princess. Past the last 600. Surprise call in command by about 3. I Will Survive racing in second, down in third, that is favorite. Is sneaking in down on the inside, Fisher Champ, Amazing Damascus as they turn for home. Surprise call this time by about 5 lengths. I Will Survive in second by the rail, Fisher Champ and on the outside, that is favorite. With the last 100 meters more to run, the favorite surprise call for a wire-to-wire passion. Second, that is favorite close between Amazing Damascus, I Will Survive. Then comes Fisher Jump, Sears Tower, Nato Princess, and Core Duo.